A fist fight in a park, a drive-by shooting, an act of violence at a concert or nightclub, an assault in front of the neighborhood corner store. These are all forms of community violence that affect millions of people, their families, schools, and communities every year in the United States. We all have a role in preventing community violence. CDC, the nation's leading public health authority on violence and injury prevention, defines community violence as violence that generally takes place outside the home between people who may or may not know each other. Examples include assaults, fights, or shootings in public places, such as schools, parks, or businesses. Community violence can directly or indirectly harm everyone. This harm can happen through death, injuries, or the trauma that family, friends, and witnesses experience. People become concerned about their safety and the safety of their family, friends, and neighbors. They may be afraid to go to neighborhood activities or exercise outside. Businesses might not have the same ability to grow and prosper. Community violence can strain the educational, medical, and judicial systems. Experiencing or witnessing community violence can have tremendous impacts on individuals, especially children. These experiences of violence can have lasting negative effects on development, health, and well-being. These impacts matter on every level. Individual members of the community can find it hard to get what they need, go where they need to go, and meet their basic health and safety needs. This impacts whole communities as the constant stress of violence leads to division, fear, and mistrust. All of this pain flows from individuals to their families, to their communities, and leaves a lasting legacy of trauma. But we have the tools and strategies to shift this story. Through community-centered solutions, violence can be prevented, and healing can flow to everyone who is impacted. We can save lives and improve every neighborhood across the nation. The most impactful solutions lie with those most affected. By joining in with others in our communities, we can take actions using the best available evidence to prevent this significant and growing public health problem. Remember, community violence is not inevitable. It is preventable, and everyone has a role. Learn more about community violence and strategies to prevent it